Hey guys, today I will show you how to download Phantom Wallet on MacBook. So first what you need to do is open Safari, Chrome, or whichever browser you prefer on your MacBook. Then head over to the official Phantom Wallet site at phantom.app, or you can also go directly to phantom.com/download. Once you're there, you'll see the download page. Click on the browser that matches the one you have installed on your device. This will take you to another page where you need to press the Get button. Right after that, it will ask you to add the extension. Go ahead and click there and the extension will be added immediately. You can select the extension for either Safari or Chrome depending on your browser. Most MacBook users usually choose Chrome or Brave because they work best with Solana apps. When you're redirected to the Chrome Web Store or Safari extensions, click Add to Browser and confirm by selecting Add Extension. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can launch setup by clicking the Phantom icon in your browser. Choose Create New Wallet if you're just starting out, or click I already have a wallet to import an existing one. Next, create a strong password to secure local access on your MacBook. This won't replace your recovery phrase but will provide extra protection while using Phantom. Once done, the wallet will appear in your browser's extension bar. Click the icon to open it and you'll be able to view your dashboard, assets, and connect to apps like Magic Eden or Jupyter. That's how you download and set up Phantom Wallet on MacBook in 2025. Thanks for watching.